day. My name is Ron Sauer, owner of Excelsior Wood Products. I wanted to take a minute to thank Cefla for really revolutionizing the way that our business is going to operate. I don't often do interviews or tip my hat, so to speak, to many places. I've been in business about 20 years. I've got machinery from all the major manufacturers across the globe, and this by far is the best experience I have ever had in training, setup, and hopeful expectations for what's going to happen in the future. I really think small and medium-sized shops like me should seriously consider buying anything from Cefla. This has been hands down the best experience of my professional career. The machine does more than I expected it to. Generally, I hope if a machine will do about 3/4 of what's promised, I'll be pretty happy. Generally, setups are very problematic. We had no issues at all. 3 days of a real fun learning endeavor for us, and I've got great expectations. And it's really not in my best interest to encourage other manufacturers to get a machine like this, because the last thing I need is to try to compete against its excellence. But in all sincerity, I'd love to see people have the blessing that I just received dealing with Cefla. So thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.
You're gonna make me cry. You're gonna make me cry. It's amazing. It's amazing.